Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. In this video we'll see how to find your mobile with the help of this smartwatch. This is what I'm using is MI Band 3. I have already synced or connected this mobile to my band with the use of one app called MiFit. So you have to install MiFit in your mobile first. I have already shown you in this description how to connect your MI band and connect the mobile with this band with the help of this app MiFit. You can go through it, and after you connect and set up this app, this band is connected to this mobile, and then you can use all the features that are available in this app. So one of the very important feature is how to find your mobile in case you have, like, I don't say lost, but you're not able to find your mobile in your home or at some place. So what you can do, you can go here. Okay, you have to just scroll down, so you get more here, and in more you can go here. There's something called in the second option, find device. So you have to long press this, and once you do that, you can see a band is searching for this phone. Band is searching for this phone. So you can, once you have found it, you can press here. Alarm is off now. So this is how you can search your mobile in case you are not able to find your phone at your home or at any place once it is in the range of this smart band Bluetooth. This connectivity occurs by the help of Bluetooth. So unless your phone is connected with this band with the help of Bluetooth, you cannot use all these functions. So you have to connect this mobile first with the help of Bluetooth with the smart band, and then you can use this feature. So friends, we'll be making more of such videos on how to use the smart band with the help of this app. There are many interesting features that we would love to know about the smart band usage along with this app. So we'll be making a lot more videos on this also, explaining each and every feature. So keep watching infotainment, keep watching this playlist on how to use MI band with the help of MiFit app. We'll be coming up with more of such videos. So till our next video, keep watching infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.